Hi, welcome to KRankin's Kitchen and Cooking with KRankin. Today we are going to showcase the Rockcrok Dutch oven. And the great thing about Rockcrok and Pampered Chef's line of Rockcrok is that it's so versatile that you can put it on the stovetop, in the microwave, in the oven. You can even put it in a campfire. It goes on the grill and anywhere in between. So the recipe that we're going to make today is going to highlight some of the versatility of it, and it's going to be twice baked potato casserole. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook bacon, and on the stovetop we're going to cook the potatoes in chicken stock in the microwave. And then we're going to mix it all together with a mix and chop. And we're going to put cheese in it and yogurt. And then we'll top it with cheese and put it in the oven to broil on the top. So first we will cook the bacon. So I've cut up some 4 slices of bacon into quarters. And I am frying it in the Dutch oven. And when this is cooked, we will drain off a little bit of the fat, and we'll keep about a tablespoon to fry the onions. Hi. So now we're back, and we've cooked the bacon, and I've left about a tablespoon of grease in the pot, and we're going to put in the onions, and you can hear that the pot is still hot from the sizzle. And we're going to put in the potatoes and the stock. And now we're going to put the entire pot into the microwave for 12 minutes. Hi, we're back with our potatoes. And like I said, these went into the microwave oven in the same Dutch oven pot, Rockcrok, that we had on the stove. So I'm using the mix and chop tool, which is everybody's favorite, because you can chop and mix all in one tool. So all I've done here is taken it directly from the microwave and left the liquid in it, and I'm chopping and cutting through the potatoes. I'm going to add our yogurt. And salt and pepper. And I'm going to mix that and chop it all together. And then what will happen is that we're going to put cheese I'm going to sneeze. Pepper's making me sneeze. Excuse me. So just because I like cheese, I'm going to put some cheese inside, right inside. A little bit. Mix that up a bit more. And then what we're going to do is we're going to top it with some more cheese, the bacon that we cooked, and I'm going to snip some green onion on top. and that'll go in the oven and get all nice and melty and gooey and melded together, and then we'll see the result. So that is the chopping done, and I'll just, you can see that, how blended, well blended that is together. We're going to smooth it out a bit. We're going to put some more cheese on top. And we're going to put the bacon on top. And we're going to take green onion, and I'm going to take my kitchen shears and just snip some onions on top. Doesn't that look gorgeous? We're going to put that in the oven, and we'll be back in a couple minutes. And we're back for the last phase of our twice baked potato casserole in the Rockcrok Dutch oven. So that's hot. We've had it in the oven for about 5 minutes just to kind of make everything melt together. And there is the result, all in one pot. So cook the bacon on the stove, we cooked the potatoes in the microwave, and we melted everything on top in the oven in the same pot. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see anything in particular. Thank you.